good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you guys are watching this. Let me put up the windows. So today I'm gonna be heading over to Colton, California to go pick up my coilovers. I just got True Hearts because I didn't have a proper top hat. Well, the top hat that I have, if I'm not mistaken, is damaged. Honestly, I don't know what the previous owner really did with the car. I'm not sure. I don't have that many details, and I've hit them up, but I mean, they don't reply, so it's whatever's, you know. I went ahead and got the True Hearts because those come with the top hats. The Tane didn't come with them. If I'm not mistaken, I had to reuse the old top hats, like OEM, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. Didn't really do too much research. I just wanted something that I can install pretty quick. But yeah, so I might be heading over there with a couple buddies. Right now, I'm gonna go see one of my homies. I'm gonna chop it up for a bit, just chill there for a little bit. And then when the time comes, I'm gonna meet up with some homies. And then from there, we're gonna start the drive over there. So I'm gonna try to get a couple rollers, a couple pictures. I'm gonna take my camera just so we get some freeway shots, you know, for a little content here and there, make some reels. And yeah, so I'll probably cut over to the part where I'm meeting up with everybody or with the people that are gonna pull up, and then from there we're gonna head over straight to Colton and then come back to LA to get them installed. So
red light camera ahead.
But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're waiting for Clever and Kevin to make it out the intersection. Oh, they're coming already. Never mind. All right, back to the drive. So we just made it to the shop. Just made it to the shop to pick up his car, and yeah. Huh? What? We got Clever, Kevin, my car, and then we got Eric somewhere around here. He's about to pull up with the new wrap so you guys can see it. Once we get Eric here, we're gonna start heading out to Colton to go pick up the coilovers and then get them installed afterwards. Very nice, very good. Dope color, bro. That's just clean. Look at it. Shit looks so dope. Look at that. I'm working on my phone right now. I didn't bring out my camera. But this is a dope ass color. Follow him on Instagram. I don't know where he has his Instagram tag. How'd you do that?
They hit me.
For real?
Yeah.
When?
Superior on Christmas.
Oh my god.
They hit me.
Done fucked this shit up even more.
Oh god. But ain't nobody got no. Setting it 10.5. If the money ain't for you, don't fucking say nothing, huh?
10.5 with the wheels, 9K, 9.5 without the wheels. Or how much?
8K stock.
Oh, 8K stock. And then
So I
10.
can get a 5.0. Please.
He wants to get a 5.0. No more Infinity.
No more V6s.
But yeah. After this, we're going to start heading over to Colton and then finally pick up the coilovers. Also, don't forget to follow Slow Link Garage. Homie, day one. Been helping me out with my queue when I had it. Check him out on Instagram. Let go. So we just made it a Vital Motorsport out here in Colton, California. Got a great deal. So yeah. They got cars in the back. They got a back Beamer right there, which is clean as fuck. Yeah, this color is so sick, especially when the sun hits it. Like when you get at an angle, it's so dope. But yeah, so I'm gonna go inside real quick. Maybe I'll record inside. If not, I'll just come outside with the coilovers and then I'll update you guys once I have them. So we're here. We're just gonna wait for somebody to attend us, and then hopefully they have them ready now. What? For what? What do you want? How much? 20 bucks?
20.
He said 20 bucks for his 20 bucks for his motherfucking whatchamacallit? What is this? What car is this? If you guys can let me know in the comment section below what car this is, I'd appreciate it. GTR?
Yeah.
Just picked up the True Hearts from Vital. And then we're gonna head out to go get something to eat and then cruise back to LA. So we made it to Cane's. We all got our stuff, and then Clever had to go, so he's gonna start driving back to LA. But we're gonna munch out, and then I'm gonna start heading back to LA afterwards. Quick outro for the video, since I didn't really record it afterwards. Since it was gonna get late for us to install the coilovers, and I had to work later at night, so I just had to, you know, cut the video short. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of us heading out to go pick up the coilovers. Next week I should have the video ready, so stay tuned for that video to come out. Once again, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.